Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. It's been a long while. I'm just here to share some things that I've been up to. I've been crafting all this time, I just haven't made videos and uploaded them anywhere. But yeah, so today I'm here to show you some cards that I've been working on. I just had a few pieces laying around and I've put them together. I'm just gonna go through them really quickly here, and I'll be uploading some other videos I've been working on, some scrapbook pages and some other cards, so I'll be sharing those. But these I worked on pieces that I've already had, some of them, and I just assembled them to make some cards. So here we go. I'm gonna zoom in a little more, and then I'll share with product information if I can remember. So this one I use the Altenew embossing folder. It's a wreath folder, but it reminds me of a lei, so that's what I use it for. And then I believe this is a Lawn Fawn die. For the Aloha, it's cut out on Altenew's glitter cardstock. And then the gemmy rhinestones are from Pink and Maine. Pretty sure it's Pink and Maine. Yeah, and then with all my cards I leave them blank. I need to still put a white base in there. So that one. So they're all pretty much the same. I just like busted out a bunch of them. So one day I got together with some girlfriends and I just embossed a whole bunch with the folder and ran them through my Spellbinders machine to emboss them all in different colors. So I had a stack of these card bases that were already embossed. So these came together very easy, as you can tell. It's just a matter of picking the colors. Here's another one. I don't remember what stencil this is. I've had it for a while. I actually had this panel stenciled out and just decided to add the thanks and add some of the gemmies there. Back to the Aloha. Here's one I did sympathy. I needed some sympathy cards a while ago, and so I made a whole bunch of different panels I already had made and just added the sympathy sentiment. And that's the last one. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to come back. We'll see. You know, life gets in the way. I have become a grandmother while I've been away to my sweet little koa boy. Here's my screensaver of him. He's so cute. But yeah, so maybe I'll share more of that, but I will, like I said, I've been working on some scrapbooking and more cards, so I'll be back to share those. But I hope you guys are having a crafty day. And then for more videos like these, see here. Till my next video, shakas!